What were you telling me? You're gonna sneeze? Oh! Hey, what are we gonna do today? On our nice little Saturday? What do you think? Watch football? Watch KU play some rice football? No, they don't play rice today. Who do they play today? Northern Illinois. Yeah. Will you watch football with me? Yeah. Oh, hello. Hi.